Understanding on-campus housing. A guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the concept of on-campus housing. This is a term you might encounter if you're planning to study abroad or you're just curious about different living options available for students. Let's dive into what on-campus housing means and why it might be an important part of your academic journey. On-campus housing refers to living accommodations provided by a college or university within its campus boundaries. This type of housing is specially designed for students and is often located close to or within the educational institution's premises. On-campus housing can come in various forms, such as dormitories, residence halls, or apartments. These facilities usually provide basic furniture and are equipped with amenities needed for daily living. Choosing to live in on-campus housing offers several advantages. 1. Convenience. Being close to classrooms, libraries, and other campus facilities saves time and reduces travel costs. 2. Community. Living on campus allows you to easily meet and interact with other students, fostering a sense of community and belonging. 3. Security. Most campuses offer security services and monitoring, ensuring a safe environment for residents. 4. Support services. On-campus housing often includes support services like counseling, academic advising, and health services, providing a well-rounded support system for students. While on-campus housing is beneficial, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. 1. Cost. Compare the cost of on-campus housing with other housing options. Sometimes it might be more expensive, but remember to consider the value of the included amenities and services. 2. Rules and regulations. On-campus housing may have specific rules regarding noise, visitors, and room maintenance. Make sure you are comfortable with these guidelines. 3. Space and privacy. Understand that space might be limited and you may have to share your room with roommates, which can affect your privacy. On-campus housing is an excellent option for students seeking a convenient, secure, and community-oriented living situation. It's designed to cater to your academic and social needs, making your educational journey smoother and more enjoyable. We hope this video helps you understand what on-campus housing entails and assists you in making an informed decision. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful.